Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to restore new folder option in right-click menu on Windows 11. In case you right-click on the desktop and here select new and then folder option is missing, or in File Explorer on any drive or any folder, you right-click and select new and you find that folder option is missing, then this Gear Up Windows article will help you. All you need to open the registry editor. For this, click on the start button and here type registry. In the search results, click on this one registry editor entry. In case Windows prompts, click yes. In registry editor window, copy and paste this one path and then press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to the folder key in the left sidebar. On the opposite side, you will find a default erase SZ. Double click on this one, erase everything, and here type folder. Then click on this one OK button. Close the registrator. Now try to right click on the desktop and or any other place where you want to create a folder. Select new and you should see folder option is available on your Windows 11. I will provide the link of this article and required things in this video description. You can use that path. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.